In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view PowerPoint outline in just about 5 minutes. This skill can significantly streamline your workflow whether you're crafting a new presentation or revising an existing one. For those who might not be familiar, the outline view in PowerPoint is a fantastic feature that provides a simplified, text-only view of your presentation. This can be incredibly helpful for focusing on the structure and flow of your content without the distraction of formatting, design elements, or multimedia. So where do we begin? The very first step is to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, the process is generally the same. Find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click it to launch the program. If you're working with a version of PowerPoint that opens to a start screen, you're already on the right track. Once PowerPoint is open, it's time to dive into your work. If you're starting from the opening screen, which typically lists recent files and offers the option to open other presentations, locate the file you wish to work with. If it's a recent file, you can simply click on its name. If it's not listed, click on Open Other Presentations to browse your computer or cloud storage locations. Select your file and open it. With your file now open in PowerPoint, you'll want to navigate to the View tab to change how your content is displayed. The View tab is part of the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window. This ribbon provides access to a wide range of tools and features organized by category for ease of use. Look for the View tab and click on it to reveal the different viewing options available. Among these options, you're looking for one specifically, Outline View. This will likely be one of several viewing options, including Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Notes Page View, and Reading View. Click on Outline View to switch your current perspective of the presentation. Once you've selected Outline View, you'll notice a significant change in how your content is displayed. In Outline View, PowerPoint consolidates all your slides into a text-based format, presenting them as a list of titles and main text content. This view excludes images, charts, and other graphical elements, focusing purely on text. To navigate through your presentation in this view, simply scroll up or down. This allows you to quickly skim through your content, make structural edits, or copy and paste sections with ease. A few tips while you're working in Outline View. If you want to add a new slide, right-click or control-click on a Mac between two existing slides in the outline and select Add Slide. To rearrange your slides, you can click and drag them to a new position within the outline. This is a powerful way to organize your presentation's flow without having to switch back to Normal View. Editing text in Outline View is straightforward. Click on the text you want to edit and start typing. Changes made here will reflect on the actual slides. It's a quick method for editing slide content without being distracted by design elements. Another interesting use of Outline View is to work on your script or speaker notes. Because you're seeing the presentation in a linear text-based format, it can help you script your talk or plan out what you want to say for each slide. To return to the standard view of your presentation, simply go back to the View tab and select Normal View. This brings back your slides in their full graphical format, allowing you to continue working on other aspects such as design and multimedia. So there you go, a swift guide on accessing and utilizing the Outline View in Microsoft PowerPoint. This feature not only simplifies the process of structuring and editing the textual content of your presentations, but also enhances your productivity by focusing on the essence of your message. Whether you're drafting your initial outline or fine-tuning the details, the Outline View is an indispensable tool in your PowerPoint arsenal. Until next time, keep exploring these features to make your presentations more impactful and engaging.